Assalamualaikum and very good evening to my beloved lecturer, Ma'am Ridawati Bakar, and my all viewers. I 2200521 Hifzan Afiq bin Hafizi from class 1 DMR2 Al-Ghazali Dialog. I would like to present a public speech about the solution of reduced risk of corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start my speech by stating the first advantages. The role of the government is the most important stage in reducing corruption in Malaysia. This is state that the government, through the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission (MACC), needs to take more active action in executing tasks, regardless of rank and position, because MACC members are an independent body selected by the government. MACC members, for example, must disguise themselves as ordinary people in order to examine complaints about corruption cases. Those involved in corruption can then be arrested and punished in accordance with the law. This more forceful procedure must be repeated on a regular basis. Therefore, it is very vital to investigate workers in order to control corruption in our country, regardless of the position or ranking of MACC. Furthermore, the government will impose harshest punishment on individuals involved in corruption in the coming month. This is used to teach the group a lesson and to inspire fear in others who wish to commit corruption. For example, the government should impose a fine 10 times the amount received or donated, as well as imprisonment for 10 years or more. This encourages people to think before behaving in order to avoid legal repercussions. As a result, based on the law's application, the public should be educated about the risk of corruption act through social media. It is clear that society's role in assisting the government in curbing corruption is not being overlooked. Teachers are responsible for teaching students about the harms of corruption, while parents are responsible for educating children about the signs of corruption from an early age. For example, parents should set a good example for their children and provide them with religious education so that they can distinguish between what is good and what is wrong. By doing so, youth might be instilled with a hatred of corruption from an early age. Therefore, society has a role to influence the mind of the younger generation from an early age to realize that the symptoms of corruption are something negative. In conclusion, corruption is an illegal thing that we couldn't do, and without corruption, we can be a good generation for our country. In addition, the government and society have played an important role in curbing these corrupt activities from continuing to occur in our country. Before I end my words, I would like to share the word from Vladimir Putin, President of Russia. Those who fight corruption should be clean themselves. Well then, I arrive at the end of my speech, and thus I would like to thank all for lending your ears. Therefore, I end my speech with thank you very much and goodbye.